professional, of course, Vega. Yeah, she sold it. Okay, now those are all wet. Cookies with marshmallow on the fire in the mountains by the lake, Switzerland, with Vega. Sounds like a plan. We do have marshmallows, we do have cookies, and let's see how it goes. I have to show you there's a parking by the main road. Hello. So we just arrived and I never seen so many cars here. It is so beautiful. Vega is very happy. Running, wigging her tail. Wigging? Is that the correct word? Wiggling, I think. She knows that down there she can go to the water to swim because it's pretty hot day. And very, very beautiful, I would say. Look at that. So we are like 10 minutes away from the place where we could set a fire, potential, have some shadow. It's important that we would have a shadow for Vega because it's pretty hot day, and a place where she could go into the water to swim, because there, as you can see, she's gonna be there. Right, Vega? This is so beautiful. How the water shines. And Vega also. Nice things about Switzerland that there is roads everywhere. I don't know how they made it, but everywhere there's nice places. Okay, there's a bridge which is gonna be hard for Vega to pass. She don't like it. Vega. Let's see. Yeah, come Vega. Come here, Vega. Vega, good. She's thinking. Okay. It's the first time she's walking on that side. Vega, come. No, she didn't want it to go without me, so I had to come back. Sonst wäre schwierig, allein für mich das machen. Dankeschön. Something funny just happened. So we got stuck on this bridge. Vega wasn't walking in front and back. There was coming elder couple, Swiss people, and the woman told me that her dog was also afraid to go on that, so she helped me. Well, she helped Vega to cross it, so that was very nice. And I wanted to record it, but I didn't push the button to record, so that sucks. But what a nice part. This was a collection. People are camping here. We are walking by the railway. Here's actively going trains. I think every half an hour or something like that. Vega had to choose the worst way to go to the water, and of course I have to follow. So many people there. I also never seen so much people here. So yeah, we're gonna set up our little fire for marshmallows and cookies. Let's see how it goes. There you go. You want some marshmallows? So we need to collect some sticks. We don't need a big fire. Yeah, very good. We have a couple sticks. Just need a couple more. And some dry leaves to start the fire. So let's see how it goes. Make a little hole. I will show you guys. I'm a professional, of course. Vega, yeah, she saw it. Okay, Vega, it's the best help. Oh, thanks, Vega. Okay, now those are all wet. And now we need another ones. Almost fell. Red, I know you can take also some sticks. Wanna help me? They are pretty dry, so it shouldn't be hard to make the fire. Okay, we need also some dry leaves. Let's try this one more time. Okay, Vega. It's burning. It's burning. Yes, so we need more sticks and more leaves. Okay, so now we're gonna make a pyramid. At least we're gonna try. Well, sticks are too small. Well, the fire almost prepared to be fired. Now we need some marshmallows here. The best help. Cookies. And of course we have something to keep her busy. Now we are almost ready. Let's see if it's gonna work. No. Well, have the best view. No. Okay. Okay, we have our second try. Looks like it's almost working. Just need some more leaves. It's very helpful. Yes. Now let's give it a couple seconds couple of minutes maybe to burn it down. Well, it's working pretty good, so I think we can prepare our marshmallows. Found a stick. It's very weak and very small, but it had to be quick because my fire is pretty fast burning. Okay, so we have marshmallow, a couple of cookies, and a stick. Now what we're gonna do, make a sandwich. And it looks like that. It's good, I like it. Fire is almost done. Okay, you want cookie? Sit. Good. Good girl. If I'm eating, my dog happy to eat it. Right, Lego? No one's gonna be. No, first for Vega. Vega. What can I do? Then me. She's still pretty tired after yesterday. After a long day, walking by Valencia Lake, right, Leo? So, just taking a nap. We are ready to go back. She almost got up there. And now I have to get up here somehow. Vega! Vega! Wrong direction. Such a nice camping spot. And she's definitely looking for some food. Good girl. It's such a peaceful place. I've been there maybe 10 times or even more. It's pretty close to my home, which is maybe 1 hour or something like that. And normally there's almost no people, which is also quite nice. And it's always good to recharge the soul in such a place. Oh, I'm so proud of her. Yes. So nice to see that she's walking on that and she doesn't have any pain because she's always walking on this side. Good girl, Vega, good girl. Jawohl. Good girl. Now she's happy also. She's like, oh, I did it, I did it. Such a Sunday in Switzerland. People are so chill. I just saw a guy who was taking a nap on a bank so peacefully. In every weather this place looks differently. Now it's kind of gray, not much colors. The water is also not so blue, but in the summer when everything is green and the sun is completely shining, like with a clear sky, the water gets so blue. It's crazy. It's completely different than now. Now it's beautiful, but it's not full potential of this place, I would say. And that looks pretty cool. So we got up pretty high already, but now we are going down because she's pretty dirty and she knows that she can swim there. So we are going down again. I just realized that we are going the wrong way and there is no way down. Maybe somewhere very far away, but we took a wrong direction. And how should I say now to Vega that she would go back? There is no road to the water. It's gonna be a challenge. Vega! Water is on the other side. Sorry, girl. Well, she lead me this way, not me. Okay. Now we are going again up. Oh. Vega, you need to also burn some calories, so it's not bad. Okay. And again we are going down. We are going to the place called Tautisoutdoors.
Das war jetzt kalt. Ja, rein da drin. Oh. Das ist arschkalt. Das reicht.
Okay, since our mission failed, go to the water because it was too narrow for her to go. You? And now we are walking the same road again. So we just made a round, uphill, downhill, uphill, downhill. This was the place where we've been. I thought she can go swim, but it was too narrow for her. So yeah, and I didn't want to film there because there was mother with kids and a couple other families. So I have to respect their privacy. We are almost back at the parking spot, and that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed marshmallows with me, and see you next time.